One is single O, another O2. So they will mix it concentrated. It's became a O3. O3 is a very toxic, volatile, unstable molecule. Ozone is not permanent there. Once you reach the blood, now immediately it converts into oxygen. So when you convert the oxygen, it's called superoxygenation. We have oxygen plus this. This is a 5% of medical gas, medical grade ozone there. So for that, first step, so you will take now, first we have venous access. So always use 18 gauge, it's best. Or you have like a butterfly needle, 18 gauge. It's very good because this is a plastic sometimes move along. So use that 18 to 20. Now the blood is going. We have a peristaltic pump. So this will have a pressing machine. So that will sucking out, pushing inside in the filter. It's a sulfur filter, hollow filters, where this is a filter is pushing. Okay? Where before going there, this is called heparinase. 500 ml of saline, we are using 2 ml of heparin, that is 1 international and 1 ml equal to 1000 ml international. So 2000 international unit of we added because otherwise it will clot. So anticoagulation we are using heparin. Okay, so once we are mixing the heparin, so it is anticoagulated blood mixing in the filter. Okay, okay. This filter, our ozone is going here from the machine. Oxygen to ozone going here, and you can see the blood also going there. Now, from the filter, ozonization and filtration, two
What are
processes.
those filters?
Filters?
Membrane filters?
No, no. This is a hollow sulfur filters.
Okay.
They have a sulfur filter. It's
Not
a-
cellular, not acetyl.
No, 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 not membranous filter like a plasma exchange. No, no. So you can see now, here the filtration, the waste is after ozonization, how the waste is coming. You will see now. Then after that, this blood again going after ozonization. Now the ozonization, you can see this blood is going in there. Okay, so ozone was stopped. So this is a mixture of that. So we have a setting here, computerized setting. You can see now. The computer, we have a speed maintenance. How much blood is going, how much you want, you can have adjust on the computerized here. The ozone you can adjust the speed, sucking the blood, pulling the blood, you can adjust, and you can mix in the ozone and you can reinfuse it. So you can now you are observing that again color is changed. Became a black because ozone was stopped. Ozone was leaking here. You can see now it's a different you are observing. So here you have to see the technical things, sometimes technical all these things. You can change it. Again, you can increase the ozone. There is a get started.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is we can do a protocol of monthly once for 3 months for anti-aging. Mainly like peripheral arterial disease, ischemic disease, degenerative knee, other condition you can do weekly twice also. You can do up to 6 sessions and then 6 months 1 session. It's not standardized protocol. You can customize yourself. So this is our ozone therapy. We call it EBOO. Okay. So any doubts you can ask.
What is also the definition?
Machine cost. It is like a toxin.
Uric acid for people who have increased uric acid, creatinine levels,
Yes.
CRP levels come down.
Yeah. What the things are causing inflammation will come down.
That is the one which is corrected.
Yeah, yeah. This is a waste. You can see this. Waste. You can see this.
Sorry? Uric acid, yeah.
Okay, is the heparinase of the blood is going okay? Will it produce the hemolysis? They are
No, we are doing very low
Very
dose.
low dose.
500 ml, 2 ml. Nothing.
That was 5,000 international units, 2,500 international units. Very, very low dose.